So while we get the grill ready, let's season up 3-pound tomahawk. Seasoned with Cosmos Texas beef, then followed up by Cosmos SPG. Let it set while your charcoal's going. Got about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna sear the hell out of it.
Give me a hell yeah!
Let's see the internal temp. Gotta be getting close. Oh yeah. All right, 124. Let's pull this guy and let it rest 15-20 minutes. Now this is the time, pop the top. Oh hell yeah. Cheers.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Oh. Juicy as all hell. That's badass. Ooh. Caught a little pepper in there.
Give me a hell yeah!
Damn straight. 3 minutes a turn. Flip it. Same thing. Pull it off the heat for about another 20 minutes. Rip roaring, wide open. Get it up to about 120. I was at 124 when I pulled it. Let it set for another 15 minutes. Cutting into this badass. Oh, hell yeah. That's a winner. Tomahawk. Now everybody gets to eat. Oh, hell yeah. Somebody has to.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Nice little snacky fat piece. With that crunch. Oh, oh. That and a beer. Oh, hell yeah.